Guys, so I'm ready to just cut my hair now. Hopefully I can find a place here in Taisan to get it cut. This is how long it is right now. It's like down to here, a couple inches to my, it's like right about like my waist. I'm so excited. I really want it cut now because it bothers me. I try to wear a bag and stuff and it's always stuck. I don't know what to do with it most of the time. I love having long hair because I can do so much with it and I can do different hairstyles with it, but I like my short hair more. We'll go, hopefully it turns out well. I have short hair now. Look at it, look at it. I'm gonna take my scarf off so you guys can see it better. Short hair is quite short. I just cut it straight through. I have it half up, half down, so I'm gonna take it out for you guys to see. So what do you guys think? I know a lot of people don't like short hair. I kind of wish that she didn't cut small layers into it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's not like, it is a straight cut. I kind of fixed it up myself so that it's not too slanted. I kind of wish that there wasn't any layers at all. Like you can see a couple of layers here. And here's me with short hair. I haven't had short hair in 2.5 years. Last time I cut it was in 2.5 years. I cut it summer of 2016 and I let it grow out since. So here I am with short hair. A lot of people are surprised about my short hair, but I've had short hair before. It's not easier, I wouldn't say easier to take care of. It's
easier to wash, and it's not everywhere all the time. I feel like when I put on my bag, I don't have to like push my hair away. Cons about my short hair is that I have to style it every day, because if not, when you sleep, it kind of like waves outwards and in weird directions.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a comment, like, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!